This conference will now be
Only
recorded.
after somebody asked me doubt, after that I got to know that I was not audible to you. Okay, I'll start again with creation of stock. So I'll create one more TV with television numbers. So this is the same as you create for other stock. When you come to GST do it applicable, say yes. This screen, if everybody is not getting this GST detail screen, then what you must do is you must go to the configurations, that is F12, go to the configurations, and all the configurations in the list, do that as yes. The complete list under configuration, do that as yes. Okay, and then enter. Then you can get all these details for the stock item. Is it clear? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Enter the stock item. So HSN code is a unique code given to all the product. Okay, SAC is for the services code. So every product has a different codes for GST for identification. So based on that, the particular product will also have rates. So I want you to list 20 products, and also I want you to tell me the full form of HSN and SAC in tomorrow's class. And I want you to list 20 stocks with HSN details and GST percentage. Those stocks must be created in your out of 20, five stocks must be created in your tally. 20 stocks written photograph I want in the with your attachment with the this assignment. Today you will not have to send any of the assignment. Once we'll go with the problems of GST, then I'll tell you assignment. With that only I want your HSN list also. Is that clear? One second. I think it's 884535 on value. Do this as taxable. Dono. %. Is this clear? Is everyone able to create stock item with GST? Class, I'm audible.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
You can create. Did you get? Somebody had asked me
Yes, ma'am.
doubt on this stock item that time.
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Yeah. Goods. Quantity. Don't give the quantity. We'll be giving it when we are purchasing it, as we did for the other stock items. I'll give you 2 minutes time. Create 3 more.
Ma'am, what about that number, ma'am? HSN.
For now, you just put um, some HSN. Later, when you get that product HSN, actual HSN number, just edit there, alter and edit it.
Okay.
Just put some, it starts from 4 letters, okay? The HSN starts from 4 letters. Sorry, 4 numbers, any 4 numbers you can.
Ma'am, we need to create under stock category TV only, ma'am, or some any other?
Any other. You can do it from your list. You already have, no? Do it anything. You have the list. Anything you can. Okay, done. Done. Create it. Create stock items. Any doubt, ask me. Now go to voucher. Go to purchase voucher. Alt C create, as I don't have. If you have in your company, you don't have to create, or else create sundry creditors and sundry debtors. So we'll create sundry creditors first. ABC. Purchase account. Now here you must go here to GST applicable, and here set alter GST to yes, because I want a registered dealer. Okay, so it's set alter GST to yes. Sundry creditors. Bible is. So he's a regular dealer. One of you can give me one of the registration number, GST number. Anyone? I told you to give me the list of keep some a list of GST numbers, correct? Just create one invalid number then. Give 29 only, give Karnataka only, do not give any other state. We are doing intra first and then we'll go to interstate. Same thing, it will show it's an invalid number because I'm just giving one number. Yes, if you do, you get more details, whether he's under what particular scheme he comes under. So all these details come into point when you do for set alter GST. That's okay. So automatic receipt number, receipt note comes, number, purchase ledger, Sony TV, gig numbers, reach. See, one time enter, you can put one more stock. Second time enter, you put the central tax. I given tax for this. You must get the calculated tax there. One second, I'll just check with the tax details. Yeah. What we did is we had given purchase there as exempted, no? So that is the reason it was not taking the tax. Either one or the other ledger, if there is even one small mistake while creating the ledger, then your tax will not be calculated. Automatically you will get see state tax and central tax. Is this part clear with everyone? Anyone who is not getting the tax amount?
Ma'am, can you
Class,
repeat the tax amount, ma'am, how we got?
yeah. You know what you do is go to the purchase ledger, Alt C you do, and create a purchase ledger with just one some answer purchase ledger GST. Okay, and go to GST, just give applicable, set alter GST will be no, type of supply will be goods, and do Control A. Now you're getting.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Everybody else got central tax and state tax.
Ma'am, under nature of transaction, what should we type, ma'am?
See, you don't have to go there only. You have to here set alter GST is there. No, it should be no. Is
Yes, ma'am.
GST applicable? Yes. Here nothing to be done. Type of
Okay,
supply
ma'am.
will be goods. Try that.
Yes, ma'am.
Is that clear? Class, did you understand? Yes. Can we wind up the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Were you able to
Yes,
create
ma'am.
the purchase ledger? Okay. Create, basically give concentrate on the stock creation. Again with the purchase ledger, we'll be creating tomorrow purchase and sales with different categories with different in the purchase ledgers, exempted, taxable, and so on. Okay. Thank you, class.
Thank you,
See you
ma'am.
tomorrow at,
Thank you, ma'am.
yeah, see you tomorrow at 3.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sorry for the disturbance. We'll take see you tomorrow at 3 o'clock. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.